Okay guys, quick Nasdaq update. So we enabled the strategy half an hour after the open. So we made the target on the ES, so we switch to Nasdaq. You can, like I said, you can switch to micros or minis. It's up to you. The signals are the same, guys. It's the same.
Long signal and
Okay,
Q.
was the first winner here. Here we have the second winner. Okay, let's see. It was an entry here, and we hit the target. And we had another entry here, and we hit the target, and we hit another entry here, and we hit the target. It's up $750. Okay, so that's it, guys. So as you can see, the programs work really well. You really need to manage your risk.
Long signal
Okay,
and
so
Q.
if you're doing small accounts, well, to pass the challenges, guys, I encourage you to go to minis. Okay, so but if your challenge is already passed, and just go to micros. Okay, so and you keep on, maybe you can do 4 micro NQ, 4 micros, 3 or 4 trades. You can do $200-300. Okay, so it's not like it's not achievable. It is achievable. So market is very calm right now. It's not doing crazy stuff, but it's working okay. So okay guys, so just wanted to update you because I have received many emails because about the program and why you're not posting on YouTube again. So it's because of this, guys. I cannot be, all these trades is more than an hour, so I would not be posting videos of an hour, so it's too much time. But the conditions are here, and sometimes the market just is not favorable. Sometimes when you have especially FOMC days, guys, you gotta be careful because the market is out of sync. Okay, so it's better just to trade micros or just stay out of the market. So just do simulation or whatever. So just play around or whatever. But you don't need to expose yourself every day. You don't need to do that. Just after those news, the market just goes very nice. For example, today we have, like I said in the first video, Tesla is reporting earnings, and the market is behaving like very good, very nice. Okay, so as you can see here, I was talking about the ATRs to the tick, guys. You see the point of control in this blue color here. This is a point of control. They're defending the lower part. You see one point of control here, price retrace. You see another point of control in the lower part of the bar. Okay, so it meets you see over here, point of control at the tag of the line. Okay, so this line, as you can see here, has 20 ticks, which you see the dot here, the green dot. Okay, so it's a proximity. So sometimes what happens, sometimes price doesn't touch it. So we can be alerted. Okay, we can be alerted when price is retracing. Maybe you're going to do your coffee or whatever. Okay, this thing has audio, so it will let you know if price retraced. Okay, because maybe you are in a trade and you're not aware. Okay, guys, so there's so many things that can go in this market. So it's it's very important to have all that information. Okay, again, guys, look at this. Tag to the ATR, to the tick. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is an institutional measured move. You can buy here. Imagine it's more than 100 ticks from here to here right now. Do the math, guys. Do the math. We do have the Autotrader for this one, guys. If you're interested, just send me an email. Okay, so I can quote you. We have the ATR proximity. We can do the proximity, maybe 50 ticks. Okay, maybe 50 ticks, and you can buy if the price retraces 50 ticks. I do suggest you do this if you're gonna trade this one with micros. Okay, and do a 500 or a 1,000 tick profit target. Okay, because from here to here is like 800 ticks to here. Okay, with micros you can have if it tags the ATR, you can have a 400 tick stop, and you can have an 600 or 500 tick target. Okay, with micros, remember 1 micro is 50 cents a tick. Okay, you do the math, guys, you do the math. Okay guys, that's it. I just wanted to tell you about how everything is going. Okay, the programs work very well, guys. I've been testing these programs all the past year and the year before. I already discovered what was going on, so it's not like it doesn't work. It works. It's the most thing that you can find that is reliable. Okay, so like everything, guys, is not 100%. Okay, so there's sometimes it don't work, but you need to be able to recoup yourself or stop trading. Okay, you need to stop trading if you
Long
feel
signal
that you lost. Stop trading. You see, price went 20 ticks from the moving average. We had a signal here alerting us that price is retracing. So that's what I was telling you a minute ago. Okay, guys, so that was it.